welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review EyesCrush for October month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is 699 rupees, and they have longer subscriptions as well. I will be mentioning everything in the description box. So yes, you guys can see that. And now let's see what all it has. So let's start with the info card. This is the info card and it has all the list of all the product here. Let's start with the first one. The first one is the EyesCrush shade of your choice. So this is the sunglass which I've chosen. You can just see they are reflector kind of a sunglasses, and I don't have much of these. I guess I have one or two from the same style, you can say. So this is how it looks. Let me just wear it and show you. So these are the sunglasses. You can just see they are looking super stylish. So yes, I'm super happy with this one. The price for these are 2099 rupees for this one. Now let's move on to the second product. The second product is by the Legend, and this is how it looks. It's a 3-in-1 face wash cum scrub cum pack face mask, you can say. So this looks like more of a men's brand, and it says it's unisex. I'm going to give this to my brother for sure. He's gonna love it, I'm sure. He loves charcoal products. So this is how it looks. The price for this one is 299 rupees, and yeah, full size product. He will be happy, I know that. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Kronokare, and this is a age prevention daily face serum. So it's a serum from Kronokare. Kronokare is a really good brand. Their products are paraben free and very good, very light for your skin, and it says this is for all skin type. Light texture, matte finish, repairs the skin, prevents skin aging, suitable for sensitive skin as well. The quantity is 55 ml. The price for this one is 995 rupees, and this is how it looks. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Phenak India, and this is the one. This is a eye cream. And this is how it looks. So it's a small cute jar like this. The price for this one is 250 rupees, and it's Enrich under eye cream. And yes, let's move on to the next one. The quantity is 10 gram. Price is 250 for this one. Manufacture of September 2019, best before 6 months from the manufacturing date. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Priroda Organics. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Okay, so it's by Priroda Organics. This is the Indian luxury bathing milk. This is cruelty free, SLS free, paraben free, and the price for this one is 375 rupees, I guess. Yeah, 375 rupees, and this is exclusively only on EyesCrush. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is by Kronokare again, and this is a lip balm, and this is it's a cooling explosion Frizz. So I have used this one. Personally, if you ask me, I really don't like this one because it has that minty, very fresh feeling. I don't know, somehow I didn't like it, but my sister loves it, and she has used, I guess, 4, 5, I think more than that. And yes, so this, I'm going to give this to my sister. The price for this one is 99 rupees. I know she will be very happy with this. And the last one is this. This is by EyesCrush, and this is a leather soft case for your sunglass. And that's all what I've received in my EyesCrush. The total worth of all the product is 4200 plus, and you're just paying 699 rupees. And in this you can select a particular shade for you according to your choices, according to trends, let's say, according to your face. So yes, I think it's nice. I will be mentioning everything in the description box. If you like it, go ahead and buy this box. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.